Halor ka jinsay madan ka hinyaw tribute council haka arp kandai trib yoyong arjar psaw lingba ka Jubab RTI baki don tang shispa kandai psaw tli gilong yeng ki bari hak pan syapin kenria na them yo maulong baro laispa saw pu art tli gilong yeng kumbalaju kren berbor na kaliang usembut menteri rangba ka jela Meghalaya ubari pej ka Tnad kampo yeng uba preston tensong ubadai ru chairman ka high level committee ya ka bala thau ban yet bnya eki lat kilanti ban pen kenria eki briu na them yo maulong ulong bola Phah ikite ki Jubab RTI sya ka Tnad Urban Affairs but Shillong Municipal Board ban Pynshisha yaki. Kumban syukudau bagi HYC kala penpau bakat kum ke Jubab RTI la syam. Bagi dan shispa kandai pusau teli gilong yeng ki batrai bat ke sarkar jela. Hendrai ki batam nang ta kata shispa sau puprat teli gilong yeng ki dai bet ki basyusong bi an hatem yo maulong. Bat yakani ke jinglap kala let banyak kran bat upa preston tensong ubulan nang tharai babaro laispa sau pu art teli gilong yeng ki dai ki batrai bet hagi Tnad paper jong ke sarkar jela. Habakran sikilat patai kubor haka janmiet jong sitare ujemmang arja arpsau uba preston tensong ulaong babon sin ki Jubab RTI ki pair bat kalong kaman hamadan bat kumta hab ban Pynshisha yaki.
In fact, they have submitted the memorandum to me and then pointing out about the RTI copy that they received. They said instead of 342, they found out that it was only 194 or something like that. So I told them, subjected to verification again. So I have already sent back this copy to the Chief Executive Officer as well as to the Director of the Urban Affairs Department, where they have to verify, re-verify, and then come back, give it the detail. No, that's what I'm saying. See, RTI, because the way the reply of RTI is, I remember correctly when I was looking after power. That again, that's about asking. The RTI and the actual things that we have in the file is different. So I don't say that it is in totality correct. That's what I sent back to the department concerned to bring back all the details, and if need be, clarification has to be given to them.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.